Hi friends, in this video you will get information about PhD programs in Germany, the names of the public universities where you can get the PhD programs in economics and business. Number one is Berlin School of Economics PhD program located in Humboldt Universität ZU Berlin plus partner institutions, conducted in English, deadline middle of January or intake on 1st October. Deadline is 1st January for intake on October 1st winter semester, and it is a structured internationally oriented in economics, finance and management. On number 2 is PhD program in accounting, economics, finance or marketing, conducted by Goethe University Frankfurt with partners and conducted in English, and applications deadline is 31st January, 31st March and 31st May. It has 3 different stages. Full-time, good for research in economics and business topics. On number 3 is WH Doctoral Program in Economics, WHDPE. It is conducted by Leibniz Institute for Economics Research, Halle, LWH, conducted in English or in German, and the admissions open in mid-November for next year. Deadline is mid-January, and it is good for policy oriented economics research. So guys, this is about the PhD programs conducted by some of the universities. These are not the only universities. There are several universities in Germany where PhD programs are conducted, and mostly the PhD programs do not charge any tuition fee. If at all they charge only the semester, only a very small semester fee. Economics and business PhD positions usually include funding, either employment contract or stipend as part of the structured PhD. Application deadlines tend to be fixed annual dates, unlike some CS positions with rolling deadlines. Show strong quantitative or econometric background, research interest, good academics record. So this is all about the PhD programs in economics or business. So hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe my videos. And as you know, the PhD programs are conducted by several universities. You can refer to them in the d.de website. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.